guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing another football inspired makeup tutorial, and I plan to do these on a weekly basis because with football season being here. Last week I decided to do the Packers and it's so weird that they won, you know? I feel like I just predicted that. Like I was their good luck charm. So for this new week on Monday, I believe the Raiders are going to be playing the Broncos, and I know that I have a lot of Raider fans that watch my videos, so I wanted to do a video for a Raiders makeup look, and maybe I'll be their good luck charm. My boyfriend thought it would be a good idea to host a giveaway with this type of series that I have going on here with the football teams for this season. So that's what I'm going to be doing in today's video. I am going to be hosting a giveaway and I'm going to announce it throughout this video. I'm not going to tell you when. I will announce it, so make sure that you watch all the way through. I'm going to be doing a silver, black, and white type of makeup because that's the Raiders colors. So if you guys want to throw another team out there for me to do next, please let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear your guys' suggestions, and without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right into this video.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
For this look, I'm going to be using two eyeshadow palettes, one being the Wet Color Pop palette. This one here is from Bretman Rock, and this is a blue palette, and the reason that I'm going to be using this palette right here is for this shade. It's just a really beautiful metallic silver. Look at that, it's just super pretty. So I'm going to be using this palette just for that shade, and I'm also going to be using a palette that you guys might have at home. This one here is the Nightgale Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow palette, which we received in BOXYCHARM I don't know how many months ago. The look that I'm going to be doing is going to be inspired by one of my Instagram friends. Her name is Haley, known as Ginger's Beauty Corner on Instagram, and she does really beautiful work. And sometimes, do you guys like ever find yourself looking at a picture and you're like, damn, I wish I could do that? Well, that's like me whenever I see like her pictures. I just, honestly, I get kind of like intimidated or like kind of nervous to fail at recreating a look. So I'm gonna take a risk because I have to try it, you know? How are you ever gonna learn if you don't try? That's like something that I always tell you guys, and I'm just taking my own advice now. So you have to keep trying in order to get better, and yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be doing. I'm just not gonna use the same color concept as she did. I'm gonna be using the Raiders colors. She did a pictorial on this look here, and I honestly am lost at this part. Like, I don't know what she used to create that like line. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I always tell you guys this on my Instagram stories, but I'm gonna show you guys something that I like to do. So inside of our BOXYCHARM box, or anything that comes packaged with something like this here, I always keep this because this is what I use to wipe off my makeup brushes as I'm applying eyeshadows. So you just like swirl it in there. And do you see it? That way, like, you can use the brush again. And I'm telling you guys this because that's like what I do with every look. Tracey tips. I'm gonna start off by dipping into this color called After Midnight, and that is a very dark gray color, so wish me luck. Oh shoot, I don't even have a base. Okay, be right back. Okay, now I'm ready. I'm gonna begin by applying that color right up here. Honestly, I think that's too dark. Let's see if we can make it work. We gotta make it work. Sometimes I love you more than you'll ever know. Now I'm gonna wipe off my brush on that little thing that I just showed you guys, and whatever product I have on my lid now is what I'm gonna be working with. So just working the edges out, diffusing them quite a bit. The more we diffuse it, the lighter it's gonna look on the eye. So that's kind of what I want, because I'm not gonna use a transition color. This is my transition color. I'm realizing that I might have messed up, but you just gotta trust the process and believe that you can make it work, okay? I'm going to be taking a dual-sided brush. This one here is from Sigma, and I received this with my Enchanted palette. It comes inside of it. So it's just taking the fluffiest side, which is the E38, and I'm just going to be working the edges. You don't need these eyeshadow palettes, by the way, to create this look. Like, just work with what you have. I just want to make sure that this color is visible. I don't want it to like go away. So I'm just kind of using that packing brush and diffusing the edges a little bit more. Now on a Sigma E36 brush, I'm going to take the color All Nighter. This is a true matte black, so it's scary working with blacks, to be quite honest. So I'm lifting my eyebrow up and focusing it into this crease area right here. Okay, because I just really want to darken that up, make sure that the black is visible, because we got to make sure that people understand your nader. I don't know. God, I'm not funny. I'm sorry. I am going to kind of bringing it out this way. Okay, and now I'm going to be taking this eye makeup remover. This one here is from Target. It's like super cheap. I don't know how much it is, but I know it's cheap for sure. I'm going to be taking the Q-tip and just dipping in there. And then again, lifting my eye up, I'm going to be applying some of that eye makeup remover on the lid. And out this way. So now just grabbing a makeup wipe, I'm cleaning it up. As always, I'm taking my Jeffree Star concealer, and this one is in C0. I am going to be using this to cut my crease. I'm taking some of that concealer on my detailed brush. This one here is from Michael's Craft Store, and this is the level 2, as you guys can see, number 2 detailed brush. I got it for under $3, so very inexpensive, and I feel like it makes cutting a crease so much easier. Now grabbing a flat brush, I'm going to move that concealer downwards. I just finished applying the rest of the concealer all throughout the lid and out here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some black liquid liner, and I'm going to be... Did I do this right? Oh no, it's kind of smudging there. Okay, let's try to fix this. I'm going to take an eyeliner brush, and this is the E05 from Sigma. I'm going to take the black eyeshadow. I'm going to start filling this area in right here. I'm not adding any more of that eyeshadow, I'm just kind of bringing it in this way. Alright guys, now I'm going to be taking this color right here called Silver Spoon, and I'm just going to be placing that in a tapping motion right here. Just like that. By the way, this is the first pictorial that I ever followed, so I'm pretty happy with how it's turning out, sort of, even though it doesn't look exactly like hers. Haley, you really gotta make a tutorial for us. Okay, and now for sure I am going to be taking that color Thickums, which is this one right here. I'm also going to be spraying it, even though you really do not need to with this eyeshadow. I'm just doing it because, like, you guys can see that it's starting to crease right there, so I'm just trying to apply a little bit more hydration into the lid space. So now I'm just kind of like blending those colors together right there. Ooh, this looks so pretty. I like it. I'm not prepared for this video, but what I'm about to do next, please don't do it. I'm gonna be using some paint. This is body paint that I use for like Halloween time. But I suggest you get a white eyeliner. I was looking at the NYX white eyeliners and I was about to buy it, and I didn't think of this video until just yesterday, so whatever. So I'm applying some white paint right underneath the black and on top of the black. Obviously, my concealer is basically white. I'm just kind of making it pop just a little bit more. And I'm going to be cleaning it up, so it's not going to look this cray-cray. When you say you're feeling lonely. Okay, so that's cleaned up. It's gonna look put together, okay? I promise you guys. Trust me, trust the process. I'm taking some black eyeliner. And I'm gonna be smoking out the lower lash line. So I'm adding some of that black eyeshadow from the Pretty Vulgar palette. Right underneath that. And then I'm just taking a brown underneath here. It's not going to be that noticeable. I know like brown isn't a color for the Raiders, but it's just going to be helpful to diffuse this lower lash line. I got some of that eyeshadow on the white. Okay, now I'm going to be cleaning it up. I still want to leave some of that white. I'm just going to take it off of this corner right here. Okay, now I'm going to be applying the rest of my face, mascara, lashes, and then I'll be right back with you guys. Okay guys, I'm back and this is the finished look. It doesn't look identical to Hailey's. I just love that I took inspiration from her and made it my own because I don't think I could ever come up with this look without getting inspiration from her. So hopefully she does a tutorial on how she did her look. I already sent her a message to do a tutorial for us, so make sure that you do check her out. Her Instagram name is Ginger's Beauty Corner. I'm going to go ahead and put her direct link to her Instagram down below in the description box. And now for the giveaway, I want to do something fun. I'm going to be sending 3 items to the winner. So the first item is going to be a Sigma Sinuosity Lash Mascara. The second item is going to be a silver nail polish, just to kind of go with the theme of the Raiders. So if you're here, you're probably a Raiders fan, and this is going to be a part of the giveaway. And the third item is going to be this highlighter palette. This is from Odin's Eye. The packaging is just adorable. This is cruelty free and it's going to be good for up to 36 months. Look at the inside. It's really, really cute. It has a good size mirror and it still has the plastic protecting the highlighters in here. So these here will be the 3 items that my winner will be receiving. To enter this giveaway, there's going to be 3 rules. So the first rule is going to be for you to comment the name of the first eyeshadow that I used to achieve this look. That's why I told you guys to pay attention and watch it all the way through. So just take a note of it, okay? And then for the second rule, you're going to have to write the final score of the Raiders versus the Broncos in the comments. So put those 2 together in my comments. The first one to comment will win this here. You have to wait after the game for you to be able to win this, so don't comment without the game being over, because how are you supposed to know the final score? So again, the final score and the name of the first eyeshadow that I used. The third rule would be just to be subscribed to my channel. Not the easiest giveaway, but that kind of makes it fun, I think. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And go Raiders!